Adam, huh? What are you doing, buddy?
I'm hiding something behind my back.
What-
Made
what?
out of paper.
Made out of paper. Something made out of paper.
You have to guess it first.
A duck?
No? A paper airplane.
Oh, no kidding. Let's see who got the best airplane. Guys, we're going to show you how to make airplanes. Adam, who made these airplanes?
Miss Tessa.
Miss Tessa?
Yeah, but then now I know how to make paper airplanes.
Okay.
Like these ones.
But why don't we test it out? Which one is the best airplane? We're going to show them how to make an airplane. And then we're going to show them a gift we bought for you, right? All right, let's do this. Let's go down there and we'll try to throw the airplanes and see which one is the longest, okay? And we can show them how to make airplanes. Okay, go back. Oh, wow. So that went about 10 feet. Let's try again. Okay. Woohoo! Wow! We went all the way. All right. Do you want Baba to try? Okay. Can we have Daniyal try?
Only one.
Okay. Okay. Throw it this way.
You can even go high on it.
It's gonna go high all the way up. Okay. Go for it. Whoa! Oh man! Try again.
I can do like right here.
Okay. Okay. Go for it. Nice. Good job, buddy. Alright guys, it's my turn. So I have this plane right here. It's green and blue. Oh, it's all, oh, there's blue right here. So we're gonna show them how to make these planes. What's up with that?
So we had a little problem with this.
Okay.
And with this one and this one.
Okay, so
This
let's see.
one's a little smushy.
Okay, watch guys. Let's see what I get. Oh man. I did it? Woohoo! Give me a high five. Nice, thank you. Adam, let me try again. Okay, so we have this. They're all exactly the same, right? It's not really different.
What's the circle around?
You're gonna circle around?
Now can we put them back?
Well, let's see which one's the best, and then we can make one.
This one.
That's the one? Okay, let's try again, see if we can get some good flight.
Can you hold this?
Okay, I can hold this.
But I have to do this one. No, Daniel.
To do what? Donnie, what are you doing, buddy? Alright, go. Adam, there's wind. Go for it. Go for it. Oh, man.
My turn.
Adam, it's Daniel's turn. Okay, give one to Daniel so we can...
Woo!
Whoa, that's not bad.
My turn.
Adam, there we go.
Here.
Give it to your brother. Woo! Adam, that was not bad.
Hey.
Okay, Daniel, go for it.
These ones.
Okay. Go.
Then.
Woohoo! Good job. Oh man, are you serious? Eating grass? Goat? Uh-huh.
And a horsey.
You're a horsey or a goat?
He's eating it.
Yeah. Alright, guys, let's go and make some airplanes. See? Oh, dude, there's a helicopter. Wow. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Alright, let's go make some airplanes. Hey guys, so we're gonna show you how to make an airplane. Donnie, can you show them how to make an airplane?
Oh shit.
Okay,
I'll
let's
show
do
them
it.
how to make a proper.
Okay, let's go.
So first you take a paper.
Okay. A piece of paper. We have to do this. You're trying to.
Paper.
Two paper? Papers. Is it paper or papers? I don't know.
So
Alright.
you just get the paper.
Well, hang on. What were you doing? Like, were you massaging the paper first? What? These cereal?
Yeah.
Okay, Daniel, follow your brother. Daniel is making a plane. Wow, look at that. So you fold it. Show it to people again. Show
So
how.
you have to fold it.
Okay, show it to. Can you open it? Open it so everyone knows.
Now when you massage it.
You have to massage it. And so what happens with massaging?
Then
It doesn't fly? Oh, okay, so you open the paper. Oh, look at that, guys. You have to fold it again. Oh, wow.
How did do that?
Okay, Daniel, can you do
Massage
that
it
one?
again.
Okay, you have to massage it again. Good job, Daniel. Go and fold it again. Good job. It's okay.
Massage it again.
Daniel, we'll make 2 for you. How about Daniel? Can you wait? And your brother's gonna make 1 for you. And he's
And
gonna make
now
1
you
for us.
have to get fold it again, but just like this.
Oh, look at that. So Baba makes slightly differently. Okay. Okay, sounds
I
good.
get to do this,
Yeah.
and then the same thing for the other. I can measure my dough.
What? Daniel, you smashed the hell out of it. Oh, good job, buddy. Okay, go. Adam, you did what? You fold it twice. Let me show it to everyone. Hang on. Let me see.
So first, see, I did this.
Yeah. So guys, here's what we did. We folded the paper first.
And then we did this.
Okay, you folded it again. Okay.
And then we smoothed it out.
Okay, and no massaging. Oh, there's massaging as well. Okay. All right, then.
Fold it again.
Another fold. Daniel, what are you making? Are you making a horse?
Oh no!
What? Daniel's frustrated. Daniel, can I make 1 for you?
No,
Okay.
let me make it for him.
Okay.
But this one's gonna be mine.
Okay.
Then what did you do that? I can. Now I can. Now I can make that one.
Okay.
So this is how it's gonna look like. Now
Mm-hmm.
I can
Massage.
do this one.
You gonna do this one?
Oh shit.
Okay, try again. Go.
Okay.
Mhm.
Now it's done. Now let's see how it flies.
Okay, so we made
And
1.
this is what it looks like.
Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how I make an airplane, okay? So first thing first is you fold it like this.
That's what I did.
Okay, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, it was sort of similar. And I don't massage it, I just go like this.
Massaging them.
Sort of a different massage. Like this is sort of like a sweet massage. This is like not a crazy massage like this. Alright.
You did it!
Alright, so then we fold it like this in the middle again. Daniel, I'm making this one for you. You want this? Okay, here you go. Guys, we didn't color these planes.
Yeah, I colored two of them.
You did? Okay. And so, watch. You want to do it? Well, why don't you help me with this? Massage it? Can you massage it? Can you massage it like this? Daniel, can you massage it? Too much massaging! Oh, what? Alright, so I'm going to fold it like this. And can you move, buddy? And so we'll do another fold like this. And then I'm going to do another fold like
Yeah,
this.
that's what I used to do.
You used to do? Well, let's see whose airplane is better. Okay, hang on. Can you just give us 1 second? And I'm gonna go. So guys, Adamhan is making the video. I don't know how good the video is gonna be, but we'll see.
No.
And then I'm doing mine. And now, here you go, Daniyal. You guys are ready?
My turn.
Alright guys, so we're back. Let's see. Adam, you have. Can you put the other plane down? Can the other plane put the. Not this one.
This is why.
Well, this is Daniyal's. And this is Adamhan's. Okay, let's see. So why don't we go and see whose plane is better? Alright, let's see. This is Adamhan's. Go for it. Go.
I can do it like this.
Oh! Okay, that was a failure.
Oh
Okay, Daniel, your turn. Go for it. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, Adam. Look again. Adam, we need to make changes. You do what?
I do this.
Oh, there's a trick to it. Nice. Okay. Go for it, Daniyal. Or Adam, sorry. And... Whoa! Huh?
These ones are way more better, but that's
Hey, why don't we do something even better? How about we launch
an aeroplane.
a rocket? Let's go and get that. Alright guys, these are airplanes or rockets?
The rockets.
Okay, Daniyal, let me see what kind of rocket do you have? Daniyal, can you show it to me?
This is what the rocket is.
Okay. hang on.
This rock.
Okay, so Daniyal, what color is that?
No, blue, white and
And
red.
what does it say on it? Can you spell it for me? Okay.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Okay, here you go. So tell me, what is it? STOMP. Stomp rocket. So here's yours.
Stop rockets.
Okay, stomp. And
Green and blue, white, yellow.
you guys are ready? Adam, you want to see Baba's rocket?
Yeah.
Or Baba's, what kind of a... You guys are ready?
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun. Look at how cool is that?
But mine is way more cooler.
Okay, let's see who's gonna go, who will be the fastest.
Mine.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, here's the rocket launcher. Can you tell us how to set it up?
Yeah. So first, we're gonna jump on it.
Well, I think we have to first set it up.
Yeah. So first, you just put it right here,
Like this.
and then we just jump on it.
Okay, so why don't you go ahead.
Wait.
Well, let's, whose turn first?
Mine.
Okay. Daniyal, come here. Daniyal, move. Move. Come here. Push it all the way down. Okay, and let's see. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
What? It didn't go that far.
Oh no!
That's because it didn't jump hard.
Okay, let's see Daniel's turn. Let's see Daniyal. Can you do it? No, he got it. Daniyal, put it down.
To you.
Not all the way down, buddy. Maybe that's the reason why. Okay, that's it. Daniyal, can you jump on it?
1, 2, 3.
Oh
You okay, buddy? All right, we have to fix this. Hang on, look. It's not even going straight. You have to fix that. All right, let's fix it, guys.
I can fix this one.
Okay, Adam, can you fix that, buddy? It has to be straight. Oh, hang on, wait. All right, got it, Daniyal, go for it. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa! Woohoo!
Fire!
That was awesome. Adam, I think we don't have to like push it all. We're gonna try something new. So Adam, you're gonna go back and we set it up like this. So Adam is gonna run and then jump on it. Let's see what happens.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, Daniyal's turn. I think he went like 10 feet in the air. Daniyal, ready?
1, 2, 3.
Whoa! Good job! As we found a new way to launch these airplanes. Keep it flat and it will take off. Let's see.
1, 2, 3.
Oh no!
Daniyal, you push it all the way. Don't push it all the way. Do not push it all the way. So don't push it all the way. Alright guys, I think what we're gonna do is what?
Bye bye.
Well, I think let's wrap it up. So we showed them how to make planes. We didn't do a very good job, right? So maybe we'll do a better job. Adam, you want to do a better job next time? So did we do a good job of making planes?
Yeah, you did.
I did. And what happened to yours?
Mine was a failure.
All right, so why don't we do a better job? Next time what we're going to do is we're going to show them how to make better airplanes. We'll follow them and maybe you can find 2 or 3 different ways to make an airplane. And so who won this game?
Me.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so we're going to go and wrap this up. And we'll come back with another video later on. Maybe do some sort of water fighting. Ready for that? All right, say bye.
I'm so happy just to be with